Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking two cards. Capricorn, this is for your career situation, Capricorn, and this is for your relationship. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this reading, guys, this guidance. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is no place like home. So this card just means that in our career situation or in our life in general, guys, we must have that authenticity in our heart, feeling comfortable in our own skin. So in our career situation, when we act in an authentic way, true to our heart's desires or goals, the choices that we make in our work or in our business, whether it is what we like, we need to align ourselves with the goals and dreams that we have for ourselves and work truthfully, honest to what we truly feel that we need in our work situation, guys. So when we do that, we will trust ourselves, feel confident in our skills and talents, and we are moving on the right path towards success and prosperity. So accepting our heart's desires and aligning our work based on that, whether we see success or failure, we will see the hand of the divine in all things that are unfolding today in our career situation, guys. When we work truthfully, when we work honestly, so we are not going to lose anything. We are going to feel happy when we work honestly, truthfully to our heart, and we will see success very soon in our life, guys. And that is what this card is about. When we feel comfortable to be what we truly are, we are going to feel happy and successful, safe and secure in our life. That is the energy with this card, guys. Let's see what is the card for your relationship. Blessed. Such a beautiful card, guys. So this card just means that we are really feeling happy, content, emotionally satisfied today in this connection, feeling wonderful. And this in this circumstance today, in this relationship today, we are moving towards a deeper intimacy, harmony and balance and a beautiful partnership. And this connection is indeed blessed, and we feel really happy to be with this person, and we feel inspired, confident in our relationship and in this connection, guys. When we are with this person, we feel that sense of gratitude, happiness overwhelming us, feeling thankful for this person being there with us in our life, being with us together. So this is a very auspicious card, guys. This card just means that we are blessed in our relationship. So there is a greater transformation happening in you spiritually, and you are seeing, you are with a very a very spiritually beautiful person, and you will feel a deep bond. Maybe you are their soulmate, you both are soulmates. That may be the reason for this deep connection or the deep bond you share with this person, guys, Capricorn. So that is the energy with this card, guys, Capricorn. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So let's start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card. I will keep this card aside. So, for those who chose this first card, it is Gretel, ingenuity. So, with this card, guys, in your situation, maybe in your life, in your past, you would have felt let down by by people older than you, maybe your parents or your older siblings, and you would have faced a lot of challenges in your life in your past, but you are someone who will not go easy under any difficult circumstance. So you are a fighter. Um, you show courage, strength, and determination to overcome any difficult circumstance, and you are someone who is really friendly, helpful, and you help others, you help people in your life, maybe your friends or family members, and you are a true defender of friends and family, and you work well in teams. You are a really friendly, kind, and compassionate person, quick thinking and very protective, and you are devoted to the people you love. So maybe in your life today there is a circumstance coming up that is kindling the strength and determination in your heart in this situation, and you are gearing up to face this difficult circumstance that is right in front of you. But you need not worry, guys. You are going to be successful. You are going to come out successful with people appreciating you, people loving you, and people feeling inspired to be with you and to see you. And there are people considering you as an ideal person, ideal way of living. So you are very wise, and you are a teacher, you are a wise person, and you inspire others, and you have clear thinking, clarity, and you know what should be done. But maybe for some reason you are waiting or you are analyzing your situation, but you need not worry, guys. You are going to come out successfully out of this difficult situation you are facing today, guys, and people will come to help you, and they love to help you. That is what I see with this card for those who chose this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, be discerning. So this angel card, it just means that in our life we are simply caught up. We just forget what we like, and we just go with the crowd sometimes, guys. But what makes us unique in our life is the choices that we make along the way in our life, and each action we take up. So making that clear choices based on our likes and dislikes will help us align to the type of life we want to live. So maybe if we are interested in some kind of creative art, if we want to take up some kind of a profession based on creative art, we have to gear up for that. So something which we love to do, something which we are really passionate about. So we need to understand that what is important in life for us, what really matters the most for us, not only in the bigger things but even in the smaller choices that we make. And before making choices, we need to ask ourselves where we stand in that particular circumstance and what is important to us. And we should not confuse ourselves uh, by discerning. It does not mean that we have to be judgmental. We should not confuse ourselves. We must be careful. And this angel card is an angel card of wisdom, and it helps us to understand the real truth from perceived truth in our circumstance, and the genuine from the superficial. So you are going to see clarity. Maybe you are looking for clarity in your circumstance and you don't know what is the truth, and today you will get to know the truth behind what you see. So the truth inside the circumstance, that is going to come towards you. You are going to learn about it, and you will be guided towards wisdom in your circumstance, and you will be filled with confidence. So that is what I see with this card, guys, this angel guidance card. So that is the reading for those who chose this card. So thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.